Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect Instagram to your Facebook page. So I would like to go to my Facebook page, and this is my Facebook page which is called Petpo. Okay, now if you this is my profile. See, this is my profile. So I want to go to my Facebook page. I will just go to here in the right hand side section and click on this icon and go to Petpo. Okay, so I'm just switching into my this is my Facebook page, and I want to connect my Instagram Instagram to this Facebook page. Okay, then if I want to connect Instagram to my Facebook page, I need to first of all install Instagram and log into my account. See, I have logged into my account, and remember, you need to convert your account to a professional account. Okay, so if you, after converting to your professional account, minimize it and go to Facebook again, and go to these three icons here in the right hand corner, and go to settings in the right hand side in the top right corner. Go down and you will see linked accounts. Okay, go click on linked accounts. Then here you can see Instagram and WhatsApp. Click on Instagram, click on view, click on connect account, click on continue. Now I'm going to share my give my username and password. So I have given my Instagram ID and password. Now I will click on not now. Now it will see here it is written login as Petpo. So I have an Instagram professional account of in the name of Petpo, as I have also a business Facebook page in Facebook which is also name as Petpo, because I am a pet shop owner. So if you are a pet shop owner or you have any kind of business, you need to create a Instagram page and a Facebook page with the same name. Okay, login as Petpo. Then here it is saying that adding to your business portfolio. Yes, I want to add this to my business Facebook page. Click on continue. Yes, now you can see your Instagram is successfully connected. You can see that you have linked Petpo to Petpo 7. So I have an Instagram account name with the username Petpo 7, and I have a Facebook page with the name of Petpo. So you need to have a distinctive same name in the Facebook and in Instagram also, and within a very few simple steps you can easily add your Instagram to a Facebook page. If you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do let us in the comment section what kind of Facebook videos you like from us. Thank you.